Hi, we have an massive, like when I say massive, this is crazy, guys. Huge haul from DHgate. Everything is going to be linked in my bio. You can click the link, it'll take you straight to my beacons, and you can shop straight from there. This is going to be a multiple part because like the amount of stuff that we have gotten is just literally insane. So I'm gonna start off first with this bad boy right here. Box came a little bruised up, but that's okay. She is literally gorgeous. Like, I cannot even. So cute. My aunt has already stolen this from me and has taken claim. She is obsessed with it. So cute. We have a change of scenery. I am on vacation with my family, so figured I'd just bring it along because this whole box literally got delivered when we were pulling out of our driveway. So super cute. Obsessed with this one. The quality on this one is amazing. 10 out of 10. Came with all the little tags, has like the inside pockets. Amazing. Really cute. The box, not the greatest, but that's okay. But that will be linked in my bio. Next, I wore these yesterday. I like to try to like sometimes test out stuff just to make sure like they hold up and is good. These bad boys, bury me in them. They are so cute. Obsessed. The box is amazing. Comes with all the little packaging, cute stuff. Hey guys, wait. Just freaking wait. Like literally obsessed. So freaking cute. I got a size 39 and I'm a size 8, so they do fit true to size. They're like super lightweight, breathable little like cutie workout shoes. Obsessed. So cute. They're like kind of like a super light gray here and then white. Obsessed with these. Really good quality. Box was amazing. Product was amazing. Next, what do we want next? Oh, this. So good. Box came really good. We got a little YSL white moment. She's cutie. Let me take the protector off for y'all so you get the whole gist. So cute. This quality of this one is really good. The gold is really nice. Has the pockets, the little zipper. She's cute. And also, I'm gonna link my little outfit from the TikTok shop. Got a size small, fits perfect. I'm gonna be wearing this all day long, but she's so cute. Really good quality for this one. Comes with a little dust bag. Box came good. And then next are these cutie little sandals. Box got a little beat up, but that's okay. We still love her. Came with a little dust bag, packaging. Summer who? Like, these are perfect. These are a size 39, and I have to say, let's see. Yeah, they definitely fit true to size. They are a size 39. I'm a size 8, so do with that what you will. Quality on these is really good. Like, it even has like the detail on the bottom like that. 10 out of 10. It's like a little canvas tan material on here. Really cute. Box 0, but that's okay. She got a little beat up. But this little fall moment, obsessed. Like, I can't even. Let me get this one. She is the moment for fall. Adorable little suede. I guess this is called like a little hobo bag. She's really cute. Really lightweight too. I got my little nail scratches on it, so you know, push it out. But really cute. Quality, I would say on this one, probably like an 8. She's a little bit flimsier than I would want her to be, but she's still so cute. Like, once I fill her up, she'll be better. But a really cute little fall moment. Love her. Gonna be linked in my bio. And then next, guys, these aloe sets that I got them in pink and black. Quality on these, amazing. I wore these yesterday with, if you watched my part 1, I have little Chanel sneakers. Outfit was literally the cutest thing. Quality on these are amazing. I got a size small and they do fit true to size. You can order it separately or as a set. I ordered the set, and when I say like the packaging was so good, like packaging is amazing. Comes with all the tags, everything on it. Legit amazing. So I'm obsessed with this little pink color. We'll be wearing that again. And then the little pink pants are so cute as well. So those will be linked. I got a size small, does fit true to size. And then next, a little kit and kill moment, which we love for summer. Packaging on this one, 10 out of 10, has a little dust bag, the paper, everything. Y'all, a little hair. We're in a new scenery, so welcome. We're in Fredericksburg with my family, but are you freaking kidding me? Literally obsessed. Like, these kid heels are so cute. I got a size 39 and I'm a size 8, so they do fit true to size. Obsessed with these. They will be linked in my bio. But guys, I'm so excited about this. Like, are you kidding me? Packaging, everything on this is amazing, and wait until you see this cutie. Box, amazing. So good. Quality on this, 10 out of freaking 10. But wait till you see her. She's beautiful and gorgeous. Oh, so amazing. Quality on this one is 10 out of 10. I like to do like a lot of research, and I'll usually use like ChatGPT to like help compare to the authentic, and all the boxes were checked on this one. She is literally perfect. Like, even the weight of it is amazing. Like, obsessed. We'll be wearing her all summer. This watch is so beautiful, and it's just like cutie cute. I love her. Amazing. So she will be linked in the bio, but like, just like the packaging, presentation, chef's kiss. And then lastly, we have a little pair of sandals for the summer. Box got a little beat up, that's okay, but packaging on the inside, you have a little dust bag, all the papers, everything, and just like a cute little summer slide. Really, really cute. I would say quality on this one would be like an 8, just because like the blue is a little bit too bright compared to my research. So I like to be 100% real with y'all and let y'all know, like, you know, this one's a little off, you know, whatever. But the blue, I could be wrong just from like looking online, because you know, colors are a little different, but really, really good quality to me. And just like the cute little details on this, really cute. I got a size 39 and I'm a size 8, so it does fit true to size. So give that an 8, give the watch a 10 out of 10. Everything will be linked in my bio and you can shop from there, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Love you.